Christine Jamse once again vlogging. So our video for today, we're going to talk about all about V8 sound card. At dahil marami na gumagamit ng V8 sound card, as what I have observed here in the Philippines, marami na record dahil I think it's because of pandemic. Daming tayong mga tao. I-share ko sa inyo what I have experienced. But before that, I want to give advice to those who wanted to buy V8 sound cards and sa mga nakabili na. So, I've decided to re-record ang na-upload ko because there's a lot of people na nagtatanong pa rin how to like that, how to use the like that. Ang dami nagtatanong. I would like to suggest na before buying this kind of mga equipments like this and the V8 sound card is na-try muna natin siya before purchasing it. Like, if the microphone is working or the V8 sound card is working. Kasi, you know guys, this kind of equipment is, you know, it's cheap. Hindi siya kamahalan guys. So, alam natin, kaya ang dami may bili ngayon kasi mura lang siya guys. So, ang problema lang guys is normally, online shop natin siya nabibili. Like, sa Shopee, sa Lazada, na minsan din natin siya natatry before tayo mag-purchase ng ganitong product. So, importante siya, yung mga ganitong product na may switch on, like that, is actual natin siya natatry, nag-test, di ba? I really wanted to help people na gustong mag-purchase ng V8 sound card. I want you to watch like review products muna before you purchase it. It's really important. Hinintay nila ng matagal. Pagdating, hindi gumagana. Guys, it really hurts. Anyway, don't expect too much. Joke lang. Don't expect too much sa V8 sound card na bibili nyo because it's cheap. Minsan, binibenta na ito 400 pesos. Pero I would love to help people, to whoever na naka-purchase ng ganito, and sa mga people na gusto mag-purchase ng ganito. I would like to correct what I have said nung last video ko na itong condenser microphone is meron na siyang built-in na phantom power. Saan ko ba nakuha yun? Kasi kung meron, may nakasulat yan, I don't know where I get that. And also make sure that the V8 sound card is fully charged. We normally charge this like 1 hour lang siya. And then after that, hihintay na kami ng lobat. And then charge this once again. Hindi siya everyday guys, hindi siya na-charge. Okay, kasi bakit hindi siya gumagana? You try open camera. So, I'm going to try open camera later. It's an application wherein pwede daw pumasok ng mga reverb. And also, it's not compatible sa phone na ginagamit ko ngayon, which is... Pero guys, the V8 sound card is good for live stream. If you're doing live stream, it's good for live stream, guys. Number one problem that I have encountered and a lot of people are asking me is the V8 sound card is not working. Wala siyang pinaproduce na sound and it's not working. And bakit hindi gumagana si BM800 condenser microphone? Ang masasuggest ko lang is you check if nasaksak nyo ng ayos yung mga wire, the cord, like this one. And then you check the cord. Normally kasi ito grounded siya, like 1, like 2. So, when you directly, saksak it there, it's not working. Wala siyang audio galing dito sa BM800 microphone. And, yun. I think, nanibili si V8 sound card ng phone na compatible siya. I'm going to try this one. Isaksak dito sa cellphone na ito. Kaya, yun ang problema natin. Kasi, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin na bakit hindi gumagana sa kanilang cellphone. I've also encountered one person na I'm trying to help kasi message ako sa Facebook and hindi ko siya natulungan because hindi siya gumagana sa cellphone niya and sa iPhone 7. I don't know why. When we directly connect it, the live one, to your cellphone, na gusto mong i-record yung audio mo together with your video. So I'm going to try this one sa Redmi na phone. Okay, so this one is Redmi. It's just the same with that phone that I'm recording. Okay, na-record tayo. If papasok siya dito sa V8 sound card na nirecord natin. So, sound check, 1, 2, 3. Love will lay you back. Someday I just know that one day you will find me there. So, what I did, I directly plugged it, the live one, dito sa phone, which is normally ginagawa ng iba. Okay? And the volume is already full. Ang output niya is there's no sound. Walang audio ang V8 sound card galing sa BM800 microphone. So that's the problem. I've watched video na directly niyang sinaksak ang 3.5mm galing sa live one sa phone, which is iPhone. I don't know what iPhone is that. And compatible siya with that one. Samsung, compatible siya doon. It's easier to record pag compatible yung phone mo. That's why I've explained it sa last ko na video na I use 2 cellphones para mag-record. So, This one is iPhone. I don't know what iPhone is this. 5, 4. This one is iPhone 4. So, hindi na siya ginagamit. That's why nagre-record kami sa voice memo. That one. That is voice memo. Diyan kami nagre-record ng audio. And then, ang ginagawa ko is, I record this one. The live one is sa iPhone. And live 2 is sinaksa ko siya sa Vivo ko for my -1. This one is for people na nare-record ng -1. That's the equipment that you're going to use. 3 phones ang kailangan gamitin. That's my honest review with the 8 sound card, which I would not suggest you to buy if you haven't tried it actual. Kailangan actual mo siyang na-try, like na-test mo siya if everything is working sa V8 sound card. It's really important kasi equipment siya eh. Kailangan mo siyang ma-test if it's working. Normally, when you go to mall, like buying this kind of equipments is you'll be asking for warranty, diba? Kung nasira man siya or ano mang... Kasi good thing that we have the V8 sound card na working well. There are times lang na maraming technical problem. Technical problem talaga. Kasi minsan hindi ko magana. Sa last video ko na sabi ko na this one is also good for recording sa mga instruments. May mga problem talaga na ma-encounter mo along the way. Wow. When you try to record with instruments. Problem that we have encountered while using the sound card. Grounded ito. Yeah, grounded ito. Good thing that we have two. The other one is not working well kasi grounded ito. Diba nga sabi ko. Number 2 problem that we have encountered is hindi malakas ang produce ni BM800, any microphone, when you make saksak the earphone dito sa headset. That's why we make saksak the earphone. Here's the earphone speaker. Yun ang problema. So, kaya dito namin siya sinasaksak sa earphone speaker. Problem with this one na grounded is, akala mo naka-record ka ng whole song, like you finished one song, tapos grounded lang pala yung nakuha na record niya. Ang sakit-sakit, diba? Ulit ka na naman kasi grounded siya. So, I think yun ang common problem when you have this V8 sound card. Kung marunong ka na gumamit ng V8 sound card, like the technicalities, handling the technical problem ng V8 sound card is okay na siya gamitin. Pero sa mga new with this equipments is, I think you ask for help muna sa mga you need to know more about V8 sound card or any product na gusto nyo i-purchase for you to know if the product is worth buying. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Sana natulungan ko kayo. And sa mga kabibili pa lang ng V8 sound card and sa mga meron ng sound card, sana natulungan ko kayo. And you have other questions, I'll try my best to help you and answer the questions that you want me to ask. So ayun lang. Don't forget to subscribe and God bless. Bye!